The Three Sons. There once was an old and mighty king who had successfully reigned over a vast empire for many, many years. The king had 3 sons who were triplets, and so each had equal rights in their claims to the throne. All had been educated by the wisest teachers throughout the lands and were equally skilled and showed tremendous capacity for great leadership. The king was in a difficult situation. As the day came when he had to announce his decision, the 3 of his sons stood to know the decision. Finally, the king spoke and announced that he had no idea who to choose from his 3 beloved sons. So he had decided to set each of them a challenge, the winner of which would become the new king and reign over the empire. Each prince will thus be given 1 bronze coin for the challenge. They must use this coin to fill an empty room in my palace with whatever they wish, but they can only spend this 1 bronze coin to complete the challenge. The prince who has filled the room the most will be the rightful heir. You have 1 day to go out and spend the money however you like. Good luck to all of you, said the king. The 3 sons went off and searched far and wide for a solution to the challenge. A day passed, and each of them stood outside of the room awaiting their turn. The first one spent his bronze coin on buying empty barrels and filled each of these barrels up with water from a nearby river. One by one, he poured each of them into the room and watched as if it filled halfway up the room, slowly leaked back out again. He felt fairly confident about his achievement and stood back to watch his brothers make the attempts. The second son had gone to a local farmer and bought all of the farmer's hay using his coin. It slowly filled up and reached up towards the ceiling, filling 3/4 of the room with hay. He smiled and was confident he had now won the challenge. He was sure the third and final brother would not be able to top his feat. Finally, the last son walked forward into the dark, empty room and stood quietly in the center as the last bit of hay was cleared out. He had brought nothing in his hands, no boxes or carriages or stuff. His 2 brothers, the rest of the assembled crowd, even his father looked searchingly behind him to see if he had brought anything else along with him. Nothing. They turned and looked towards him again, and thinking he had not taken the challenge seriously, his father asked if he had brought anything with a single bronze piece. His son smiled, reached into his pocket before answering, and pulled out a small box. The third son pulled a match out of the box and, striking the side, lit a match, immediately illuminating the room with light. Yes, I did, and I decided to fill this room with light, he told his father. The king was very happy, and he decided that the third son was the wisest of all and decided to give the throne to him. In our lives, God has given us an empty, dark room to each of us. I mean, our own human body. How are we filling it with? Are we filling it with unwanted thoughts that doesn't allow us to focus on life? Or are we filling it with burden or problems that you cannot really enjoy life? Or are we filling it with the light of hope which gives us peace? Think for yourself.